The Xfinity Mobile Elite Upgrade is a premium program for Xfinity Mobile customers that offers enhanced benefits like access to high-end smartphones, expanded data, and priority support. Think of it as a loyalty program that lets you upgrade your devices and services at discounted rates. It leverages Verizon's 5G network and integrates with other Xfinity services like internet and TV for bundled savings. It aims to boost customer retention by offering subsidized upgrades. To qualify for the Xfinity Mobile Elite Upgrade, you need to be an existing customer for at least 12 months with an unlimited or unlimited plus plan. Your current device must be eligible for trade-in and in good condition, and you should have good account standing with no outstanding balances. To upgrade, start by checking your eligibility on the Xfinity mobile app or website. This will verify your account status and available options. Next, select your upgrade option, whether it's a new device, trade-in credit, or plan enhancement. Prepare your trade-in by backing up data and performing a factory reset. Ensure the device is in good condition to maximize your credit. Customize your plan by choosing financing options such as 0% APR for 24 to 36 months and add features like device protection. Submit your order and receive confirmation with tracking details. The process typically takes 3 to 7 business days. Finally, activate your new device using the Xfinity mobile app upon receipt. Follow the prompts to transfer your SIM data and test connectivity.